AMPX was trending at some point today, the 29th of January 2026, due to recent analyst upgrades that underscore its leading silicon anode battery technology, crucial for high growth sectors like drones and defense, amongst other things. Okay, it gained 13.52%. The volume today was almost 3x its 50-day average. Okay, it's quite a high beta stock as well. Let's see what we have. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay. It is it has resumed the uptrend it was in all the way back to early June of 2025. It has resumed that uptrend. But at stand right now, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may begin to go into a consolidation from the 5th of February all the way towards possibly the middle of March, but that's a very long time to come. A lot of things can happen between now and then. So projections are saying $12.9. It's a downward projection, but it may have printed an intraday high today, given the fact that it's yeah, it wasn't today, it was yesterday. Yeah, today 13.78. So got a rejection there. Okay, so yeah, yeah, got a rejection there. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken from tomorrow, the 30th. I may stabilize after that. Let's see what we have on its weekly chart. Okay, on its weekly chart, there are no extrapolations. It hasn't been around long enough. Okay, we have the same projection, 12.41. Okay, let's see now. We can try the 4-hour chart to see what's going to give us in the very short term. Yeah, higher prices going all the way towards the 9th of February, but possible volatility. Projections are saying 13.1, 14.01, 14.57. These are now, some of them are upper projections. So on this daily chart, on this 4-hour chart, we can see what's going on. The positions opened 40 hours ago are currently in profit, and the 10 period moving average is rising, gaining $18 every 4 hours. Based on it's just an indication based on the strength it has been showing. It has been printing higher prices. The uptrend it has resumed the uptrend as of early this year, early this month. Yeah, it has resumed the uptrend. So the 10 period moving average has gone from losing $7 every 4 hours to now getting $18 every 4 hours. Those are just indications as well. That is not exactly what it gains. Yeah. Okay, so we can also try and see what the market grid is going to give us in terms of possible prices. The 4-hour chart is more of obviously not a long term chart, not what you be exactly relying on. Yeah, you could still rely on it, because it just gives you, it's more of a yeah, granular, if you like, yeah, a granular picture of the daily chart. So it might give you a couple of things, but I guess traders use it a lot more. It makes more sense to them, given that it's just a 4-hour chart. Okay, let's see what we have on this market grid. Let's see what we have. 14.41. What did we print? What did it print today? 13.78. So yeah. So and it's currently at 13.62. So this is where it is now, in between the resistance and the support. So there's a chance it might go ahead and test 13.77. Yeah, so that's it has a copy, and yeah, it has there seemed to be a resistance there. You can see 13.77, 13.99. So that's quite a resistance. And even below as well, it also has a support, 13.38 and 13.17. Let's see here. Now there's also 13.45. Okay. That's the extrapolation of its 2 period, 3 period moving average. Yeah, okay. And then there's also 13.1 here as well. And towards $14 as well, it has 14.01. Yeah, 14.01, 14.57. Yeah, 14.41. Yeah, so it may well begin to consolidate there, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may get a rejection there at just right around where it is right now, 13.78 or thereabout, and also saying that maybe when it pulls back, it might get a bounce. So these supports it has, they may serve as buy the dip opportunities as well. So if it doesn't get through these and maybe retraces to these levels, $13, 13.1, all the way to 13.77, it might pick up some momentum from there and maybe resume the uptrend. This is just in the very short time, because the 4 hour chart gives you an indication of the shorter the time frame, then the shorter the picture, so this is more, yeah, like I said, it's a 4 hour chart, so it's by the time you're watching this, it may not be that more that's it may have already played out, it may have already played out. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. The stock was trending at some point. Yeah, just have a look and let's see. Now I don't think the daily chart has it has a line on the daily chart in terms of this market grid. It hasn't aligned. It's trading way outside of it. So yeah, and I believe even on the weekly chart as well, I don't think it is has aligned in that grid. It hasn't. The stock is trading outside of that grid. Yeah, and there was a time I actually have as of the 3rd of November. Let's see what we have here when it had an expansion. Let's see what we have here. 15.13. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just see what you make of AMPX, and thank you very much for watching this video.